What's up? It's Steve with another 3-minute guitar lesson, and today we've got a great one. This is Eddie Cochran's Summertime Blues, classic rockabilly artist from the 1950s. That's why I got an orange Gretsch over there that I love so much, and I'm going to teach this thing to you in under 3 minutes. The good news is I think you only need 3 chords. It's really easy. So I'm going to start here with no capo, and we're in an E major. E major, and technically the if it was in an F major, let's just say it was, move my thumb back and forth, it does that kind of deal. But because you have an acoustic guitar and it's in E major, we don't have a Bigsby tremolo or some other, you don't want to be spinning that thing. Let's just do it in E major, and you start out with this driving rhythm. Gonna raise a fuss, that's E major. I'm gonna raise a holler. So it's in E major, gonna raise a holler, and it goes right there. So you go from E major to A major, and then you go to B seventh. And you could play a regular B, whether you bar it or not, but the B seventh is really what makes it magical, and I think it's easier to play than the bar chord. You basically play that fret right there, second fret of the A string, first fret of the D string, second fret of the G string. And when you let the other notes right here ring out like this, maybe not the high one, and you don't want to hit the low one because that's still an E. You basically go like this, like that. So listen, E major, working all summer, just try to earn $1. E to A, that's the B seventh, and back to E major. Then it goes A, every time I try to call my baby, I try to get a date, so you're just in A major. Now if you can do the blues deal, I got another lesson coming on the blues. But don't worry about that, just do it A major. Every time I try to get a date, my boss, E major, just pop it one time. My boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do. That's back to A major, but they're E. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 16 times, and then you go same chords. E major, A, B seventh, E, like that. Now, you can tell one time I added my pinky here is a bit more advanced. You add your pinky, look at this little mashup here, your pinky to the second fret of the E string. And if you can do that, the next time you go, see, I didn't even do it good that time. And what I did right there is I got into the B seventh shape, and then right at the last second, I've dropped that pinky right there. So. Super cool song, love it, great. I think it's from 1958 maybe. Very cool, so check that out. Let me know how you did in the comments, and hang out here for some more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.